Hey, it's Tom, aka Crypto Trader Tom from TechBait.net and Mr. Excitement. Um, yeah, I haven't been doing a lot of videos lately. I did like a whole bunch one day on my phone, and then I didn't do a bunch for like the weekend or whatever. It's now Tuesday. Look, the market has just been, it's just hard to be enthusiastic, right, during this time. I mean, take for example last week, right? I sat there with a certain amount of fiat sitting there in an exchange waiting to buy some crypto. So I really wanted Ethereum to go down, and I had a feeling something was going to go down at some point. But so it went down a little bit, but it wasn't really moving. So I thought, oh, maybe it's going to just continue going up now. So let me just get on with it. Buy the Ethereum, send it someplace, and buy what I really wanted to buy with it. Trade it for an altcoin. So I did it, right? What happens? Boom. I could have got Ethereum for like almost $100 less. And it was like that a week before. It was, you see, or 2 weeks before. You see how you miss these things, and you just don't know where it's really going to go. I mean, look, I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know where these prices are going to go. I'm not the one manipulating this stuff, and I really think there's some kind of weird manipulation going on. I don't know the mechanics of it. I don't know who's behind it or what groups or whatever, and it's odd right in the midst of the CFTC probe on Bitcoin and crypto price manipulation. It seems to be being manipulated big time again. It's frustrating a lot of people. You're not alone. You are not alone. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is at 39%. It's actually a little up from where it's been. As I record this, going to be a brief video. Bitcoin is at 68.77. Ethereum's down at 50. Well, it's up a little bit here, but it's down from where it was in the the low sixes. Now it's 538. I mean, look at this. I mean, look, if you've got fiat and you believe in the long-term thing, Neo, $45 on sale. VeChain, $339. Where's my Zilliqa? Zilliqa's down 10.2. I mean, this was up to 13. At times it's been 16 cents. Now it's 10.2. If you've got the fiat already in the market ready to move, will it go lower? I don't know. Verges, it's stuck at 3. Tron's at 0.047. I don't know what's going on with this whole Tron mainnet thing or any of these things. EOS, where's EOS? EOS is at 11.25. Again, another thing. Nobody really knows where that's going right now. I mean, the whole mainnet thing. It's like, did it launch? Did it not launch? I don't know. So yeah, at any given time, like there was a whole bunch of these news items. I still have them on my phone, sitting there in cache with open tabs, and well, until my browser gives up the ghost. But things about Zilliqa, Quark Chain, blah blah blah, and then the whole fucking market tanks, and it's like before you know it, it's like it just takes it sucks the life out of you. So continue to watch. I mean, TechBait keeps me updated with the latest what's going on. But again, you don't really know what's really going on behind the scenes. That's the whole thing. A site like mine isn't going to tell you that. These things are, I don't know, shady back rooms or whatever. Interesting, what I did see here was, what I picked up was apparently Ethereum Classic. The Ethereum Classic ETC is going to get added to Coinbase, and this time it doesn't seem to be one of these weird YouTube videos with the clickbait title that has no basis in reality. Apparently Coinbase has really announced they're going to carry ETC pretty soon. So the price went up a little bit. It backed off a tiny bit, but it's still up from where it was. Will something like Coinbase carry this thing? I don't know. I don't know where. I was starting to think ETC was a dead coin compared to like Ethereum. So I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, that's My Little Pony. I have a toddler daughter, right? So she's got all these little temporary tattoos. Daddy had to wear one. So I don't know. Yeah, looking for a Bitcoin rebound. Analyst says it won't happen anytime soon. Who's the analyst? You know, who are these analysts? CNBC. Yeah, the bears are going to come out and, they talk about this tiny exchange, this coin rail hack. I don't think that. I really don't think that is the reason why. It may be an excuse that can be used. They all get together. Oh, let's tank it again. Well, let's take profit. We're going to blame CoinRail, and that's what the media did. I don't really buy it yet. The Tron founder acquired BitTorrent. So anyway, all this stuff is here. Check it out. It updates regularly. But right now, it's hard to do anything as far as, say check, you can check this coin out. You can check that coin out. If you're not a long-term hodler right now, I mean, trading is great if you have that instinct to be a trader and you can trade these weird movements. But a lot of people can't. I mean, my trading bots are completely backed up. They're not even trading right now. These bots are bagged up, some higher than 50% bags. Until this whole market comes up, until Bitcoin hits past 10,000 and the alts come with it, my bots are going to be bagged up. So I'm not making any money there at all. I'm just sitting there holding these bags because I'm not going to sell at a loss. So until this whole thing takes off again, I'm just in a holding pattern. I'm not throwing. Who's got money with bills, right? But I'm not throwing more money at those bots right now. What? So the market could tank again, and I can be stuck in new bags. Just wait for it all to come back. I haven't even upgraded my bots to the newest version. I mean, they upgraded to a new major version, and right now I don't even have the incentive to go through that upgrade process right now. I mean, maybe soon, but I've been busy on the personal side of life, so whatever, I haven't had the time. So anyway, it's running late here. I got to get ready for work. I just wanted to do a quick video. As it is, I've got to convert and upload this thing and tag it, and then rush on to the commute. It's never a leisurely thing in the morning. It's always a mad dash. But like, I wasn't going to do this. Like I didn't several mornings in a row, and finally I just said, let me just throw something out there for the few subscribers I have, and also to keep the channel going. Please visit techbait.net. Techbait.net. I use it. It's my own site. It's my resource. I use this. I'm always looking at this to see what's going on in crypto and technology. You should too, and you should share it out and let people know. Hey, there's this site that has all these constantly updated crypto and tech news feeds. It's a useful resource. Why not use it? And that's that. So I bid you adieu. I will see you next time. And let's hope that eventually this thing, this constant bear garbage goes away. But who knows how long it's going to take. I wish I could tell you I am not a crypto psychic. And none of these people on YouTube are. All you see these headlines, these clickbait. Bear market over, to the moon, Lambo returns, only to be, boom, crash. There are powers greater than us calling this thing right now, and all you can do is hodl through it and go along for the ride and hope that this isn't going to be like a constant shit show from now on, and that the party days aren't completely over. I know people who got out of this market who said it's never going to return back to where it was ever. And who got discouraged and went home, and that was it. I really don't want to believe that. I ultimately don't think that's going to happen, but we'll see. We'll see. I mean, the opinions run the gamut, so I'm just going to hodl through it, keep up with the news, make a video when something of interest comes up, or just to pep talk people through it. And that's it. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and help me grow the channel. Hey, I'm an honest guy here. I'm not going to blow smoke up your ass. It is what it is. See you later.